Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram's in-app login alerts with the latest update. This handy feature helps you stay informed whenever someone tries to access your account, adding an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the menu icon, that's the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, select Account Center. This is where Instagram centralizes your account settings, including security options. Inside Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Here, you'll find various security features to help safeguard your account. Now, tap on Login Alerts. This section lets you manage notifications related to login attempts on your account. You'll see a list of your connected accounts. Tap the Instagram account you want to secure. Finally, check the box next to In-App Notifications to enable login alerts directly within the Instagram app. Once enabled, you'll receive immediate notifications whenever someone logs into your account from a new device or location. That's it! You've successfully turned on Instagram's in-app login alerts, helping you monitor your account activity and respond quickly to any suspicious logins. Remember, staying proactive with your account security is key to keeping your Instagram safe. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to keep your app updated to access the latest security features. Thanks for watching, and stay secure on Instagram.